the weather is so beautiful. We are leaving to our next stay. तो अब हम निकल चुके हैं टू हैव ब्रेकफास्ट. ऑल्सो मेरे बालों को क्या हुआ है गाइस, आई डोंट नो. सो कर लेंगे. दिस इज़ लेक पिचोला इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. ये जितनी भी अच्छी जगह होती हैं गलियों में ही क्यों होती हैं भाई, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. हम बस आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट पहुंचने वाले हैं लेट्स ऑफ मेवाड़, लेकिन अभी स्टिल आई एम नॉट श्योर, आई एम जस्ट गेसिंग. जाना तो हमें मिलेट्स ऑफ मेवाड़ था, लेकिन हम आ गए ग्रासफुट जो कि लेक साइड ही है. देखते हैं कैसा है ये. मेरे को थोड़ा सा ईवा कैफे वाली वाइब्स आ रही है जो हम ऋषिकेश में गए थे तब आई थी. मेरे को लगता है बहुत अच्छा आएगा. So here I am having my iced latte and here is my first reaction to the latte. It was nothing too great. And so my friends, appearances are deceptive. And this place was a sheer example.
5 out of 10.
So we are rating the food 5 out of 10. बहुत अच्छा नहीं था, ठीक था, पर ना से तो हाँ बढ़िया है. Look at those earrings. So this shop owner says that he makes these earrings and everything which is in the shop, which is quite good. तो दुखियारे आत्माएं
के साथ में
फतेह सागर लेक यहाँ पे. तो नेक्स्ट स्टॉप हमारा था डेरा बाग डेरा करके एक जगह जिसमें हमने एयरबीएनबी बुक किया था. तो जो उदयपुर का हमारा ट्रिप था, वी वर सपोज टू गो हॉपिंग बट वी सॉ दिस डे विच वॉज इन द मिडल ऑफ द जंगल सराउंडेड बाय नेचर, ऑफ फ्रॉम द hustle bustle of the city. What else we could have asked for? I mean, this was the best decision made ever to go to this place from the middle of these lush green forest and have the best time of our lives. And not to forget, यहाँ पे जो लेक था, it has a bunch of crocodiles there. And we have reached. I will tell you more about this place. So ऐसे यहाँ पे ये tents थे which were quite spacious and nicely lit, just facing the lake as you can see. और धीरे धीरे आवाज़ झिंगुर की. हमें कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर भी मिला था accompanied with some snacks which were chargeable. Here we were testing the food which was just like what you have at home. Amazing, simple flavors. I think that is something we all should run after instead of fancy looking foods, because this is what our culture tells us. Also I was awestruck. I was just constantly seeing as to what this place has to offer. We went to have the look at the crocodiles nearby and we did spot a few, however not very clearly. We went down to this place. I was quite scared कि कहीं ये टूट ना जाए. Obviously नहीं टूटेगा, but still what are the odds guys, what are the odds. तो वहाँ थोड़ी देर हम खड़े रहे. We saw a few moments just like that one और नज़ारों के मज़े लिए हमने. And we also clicked a few pictures here and there. कुछ हमने बेफालतू की रील्स भी बनाई. Look change guys. So we have come to see some crocodiles which we did spot. Look at that view, so amazing. अब कहीं और जाएंगे देखने के लिए. इस जगह का नाम मैं आपको डिस्क्लोज करूँगी इन सम टाइम. टिल देन बने रहिए. अच्छा, मैं जहाँ भी जाती हूँ ना, a bunch of butterflies always accompanies me. या I don't know, मैं उनको spot कर लेती हूँ या वो मुझे spot कर लेते हैं. कुछ तो चक्कर है. I love butterflies. Also say hi to Nishant. And guys, this was the best thing about this day. We spotted the beautiful guldar, the fennel, that's what you call it. It was very impromptu. We stared this beauty for a good half an hour and he just laid there like a sloppy beautiful cat, did not do any movement. he did see us and I thought okay he might come, but वो नहीं आया. We were just having his me time. Although थोड़ा सा कमज़ोर था, I think खाना इतना बढ़िया से नहीं देते हैं इसको, या देते भी होंगे तो I don't know. He just looked kind of weak to me. And then we just returned. And then we stopped here. This looked like it was a lake covered with just greens, but हिम्मत नहीं हुई अंदर जाने की. तो यहाँ पे चाय और मैगी का सीन बन गया, जो कि बहुत ही गलत हुआ, क्योंकि इसके बाद हमने लाइव स्नैक्स भी खाए थे. मतलब ट्रिप्स पे क्या रहता है ना, हम बहुत ज़्यादा स्टफ़ कर लेते हैं, फिर बाद में रिग्रेट होता है कि यार क्यों खा लिया. अब यहाँ लाइव काउंटर की तैयारी हो रही थी और आई जस्ट वेंट टू सी, और आई जस्ट वांट टू कम इनटू द वीडियो फॉर यू to see me or notice me, whatever. So the live counter I was talking about पूरा, और snacks जो थे वो काफ़ी सही थे. We had quite a lot of them. So here I was trying to make you listen the voice of the nature and disconnecting and connecting. How was the starters here, Nishan?
It was good.
Okay, rated from 10.
6.
I rated 6.5. और सुबह हो गई थी और आज था हमारे जाने का दिन. आप वो पेड़ को देखिए कैसे हिल रहा है गाइस. और अगर मैं यहाँ रहना चाहूँ हमेशा के लिए तो why not? I mean, nature will protect me always from everything, everyone. Just me, nature, the sun, the river, and some good food, of course. What else can we ask for? What is life anyway? I was just trying to give you the room tour. If you did not notice, it has a spacious bathroom, a very big bedroom, and so I have prepped my face with rose water. Now I'm using this serum, which is really nice. I really love it. Now I will be using my
की क्रीम, ये डब्बी कोई और क्रीम कोई और, you know, many things. कोई बात नहीं.
So I've applied my sunscreen. Now the last step is to apply some foundation. खत्म हो गया क्या? What? This much is enough. Just under my eyes and on the problematic areas. This is the whole look, and this is how my face looks. This is served, guys. And हम निकल चुके हैं. It was one best of an experience. निकलते हुए भी वही सेम हरा भरा lush green and nature. I'm definitely coming back for more than a day now. And we have come back to the city life. It was amazing reconnecting to the nature. लेकिन ठीक है, सिटी के अपने मज़े हैं. So here we said bye to उदयपुर. और अब जो बात की स्टोरी है वो आप जानेंगे कुछ ही देर में. मौसम थोड़ा बिगड़ ही रहा था, बारिश जैसा हो गया था. आप तो देख ही सकते हैं काले बादल. And it started raining. And I actually wanted to have some coffee. तो हम रुके Starbucks पे. I had my favorite iced latte. It is the best, guys. I highly recommend. And उसके बाद हमने सोचा we'll eat something at McDonald's. But unfortunately McDonald's तो नहीं आया. We have to stop at this ढाबा जिसका खाना was okayish. I won't say I was a star. But now I think there was a McDonald's and we spotted one, but we were so full. लेकिन still जो हमारे साथ गए थे they had their Maharaja Mac. I took this Max whole. और इसके बाद तो काफ़ी भसड़ हो गई. So here some damage happened. I think टायर के ऊपर there's this cover which got off and we have to stand there for like good 45 minutes. हमें लगा पता नहीं क्या ही होगा in middle of the highway, but ठीक है. उसके बाद झरने जो थे उनमें से गाड़ी चला के हम लेके गए and then we came to अक्षरधाम. और यहाँ पे ये व्लॉग ख़त्म होता है गाइस. हम दिल्ली एंटर कर चुके हैं. It was a fun short trip. I will see you with more such trips in the future. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will come back with more such videos. Take care, stay tight. Love you. Bye.